Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about X-ray view box. An X-ray view box, also known as radiograph illuminator. It is a medical device with a translucent screen and backlighting used to view and interpret X-ray films with optional contrast and detail. Modern view boxes predominantly use LED technology for brighter, more uniform, and energy efficient illuminations. The types of X-ray view box. Number one, single panel, designed for viewing one X-ray film at a time, ideal for smaller clinics or individual assessment. Multiple panel, that is second one, available in double, triple, or quadruplet film configuration, allowing for the side-by-side comparison for multiple films, which is highly useful in hospitals or diagnostic center settings. Third one is mounting option. They can be either wall mounted for fixed installation to save space or designed as portable, high weight, lightweight desktop units for flexibility.